Hey, cool cats and kittens. I know, right? Today I decided to take pictures of some waves or something thereabouts. I've dusted off the old GoPro. See if I can get something on that, just for a laugh. Waves behind me and waves further away. I saw some surfers on the other side of the bay as well. Might try them as well at some point if they're still there. And I will do all that with a Nikon D500 and a Sigma 150 to 600. Damn, big waves. So let's see what's going on. Come on, it's a good time to be alive, eh? So, you've already might have seen something on the screen, picture-wise. That's if I managed to get anything half decent. If I didn't, then you won't. One thing's for sure, this is heavy. It's heavy. I bloody love it, but it's bloody heavy as well. I'm gonna change location now. I tried a few snaps from here. Seems to be a bit hazy over the little white house where I was aiming for, but I know, give it a try, why not? So yeah, going a little bit further down the bay, and then I'll try the surfers as well. Hey, it's a beautiful day, fresh air and all that. So, new location, just got a little bit closer. There's that white house that hopefully I managed to get at least half decent photo of, with the waves crashing in front of it. So let's see what we can get from here, both ways. Must say I'm a little bit wary because one of my first cameras was caught in a splash of seawater, and that was the end of it. And I really don't want that to happen again. So I've got a little bit of saltwater PTSD when it comes to cameras. Fingers crossed it won't happen again. Right, let's see what we can see from here. I was hoping a wave would smash the wall behind me and just go way up in the air. Now that would have been epic, but it didn't happen, so there we go. It's funny, this girl over there on where am I pointing? There. She was just there earlier. She climbed on top, not on top, on the side of the White House, filming, or I don't know, taking pictures or doing a live or whatever kids do nowadays. So all for the gram, isn't it? But I hope I've got a nice shot of her or two. That'd be nice. And whoever you are, thank you for being a model on top of the White House. Okay, let's go and see if the surfers are surfing. I think high tide was about 20 minutes ago, so they're not gonna get any bigger. The only reason why I wanted to give this a try more. Hey, look, golf. Where is it? Where is it? There. No. There. Behind me. Anyway, they're golfing. No, that was last time. A couple of days ago, there were like really high tides and really strong winds, and the waves on this side were epic. There were some amazing images captured, and I thought I'll. Obviously, I was too lazy, basically, to come then. But I thought I'll give it a try today. More of a recce for the future. For future me. Note to self: don't be lazy. Just do it. Right, let's head back. Catch these surfers. Or not.
Whenever you're lost and in the dark, remember you got me right in your heart. Some like to run muddy, some like I'm squeaky clean.
Well, here I am, and guess what? Literally, as I got out of the car, the last surfer was getting out of the water. However, they've moved apparently just down the road where we came from. And I say we, I mean I came from, because I shit you not, the surf over there is pumping. Man, if the surf is pumping, that's where I need to be. I need to be where the pump is. Yeah, I'll tell you what, this surf better be pumping, because I'm going back and forth like a bloody lunatic. Oh, there's a helicopter. You don't see them very often. Yeah. This better be one pumping surf, because otherwise nothing. Just better be. There seems to be a break in the pump. We are waiting for the pump to restart pumping. So in the meantime, I would like to take this opportunity to say bloody well done, Sigma. Awesome lens, man. And with the D500, brilliant. I suck, but this is good stuff. One thing for sure though, it's a workout. It's heavy, but it feels good. The zoom ring though, man, you need to go round and round and round. It just goes. It's a workout. I might need to get a monopod or something. Let's see if the pump is pumping again. Changing locations again. I guess that's what they say. That's what they mean when they say chasing the waves, catching the waves. Makes sense. I stopped there for a second, thought about taking photos of the cars driving past just to practice trying to see what the lens is like, but I gave up because everybody was slowing down and shitting their pants. Thought I was doing a speed check or something, so I thought I'll let people enjoy their day. I'm not going to stress them unnecessarily. Okay then, so I'm gonna call it a day. Otherwise I'm gonna be here until tonight taking pictures. Hopefully I managed to get something just about worth putting on the screen. Otherwise you would have just watched me talk. And I don't know. Not sure if I want to say anything else. Probably, yeah. I wanted to go across the road and what's it called? The marsh, the bird watching shelter thing. But I don't think I have the patience today to wait until whatever random bird comes along to be photographed. I will try it again because I'm curious what the lens can do, even with me behind it. I'm curious. But yeah, it's not gonna be today. No birdie for me today. So I'll head off home and nice again. Thank you. Ciao.
Blue collar hands on the wheel, yeah. Everybody's different.